Hello, and welcome to Linux Mint, an operating system which I have been avoiding like the plague. The main reason being, I'm not a huge fan of the Cinnamon desktop environment. However, I want to give this a shot, and I want to see how much can I customize this desktop. I don't really have a plan going into this, so my overall goal is just to do the best that I can. Let's begin. First place to start is the System Settings menu. Here we go. Themes. Let's see what they got for me. They give us 3 styles. Mint L. I see some green. That's nice. Mint X. Ooh, I kind of like this. It's a bit older style. I can respect that. Mint Y. Okay, I think I want to stick with this. Looks pretty modern. See what they give us for cursors. Might as well start there. I don't mind this cursor. Maybe this one. For now, let's use this one. I like this type of cursor. Applications. They do give you a lot to work with. Icons. Desktop. So what if I just change the desktop? Okay, just do Cinnamon. Leave it like that. Oh, you can download themes. Most popular. Adapta Notoko. What does it look like? See Black, Orchidea, Sea Blue, desktop and window effects, backgrounds. Okay, so after changing the cursor, I think that's where we should start. Let's find a nice wallpaper. And where I like to go for wallpapers is wallhaven.cc. I found myself a nice wallpaper. Let's crop and scale, download, and then we go to change desktop background, pictures. Let's add a picture. How do I add a picture? Do I have to put it in my pictures folder? Go to, where's downloads? Downloads, let's throw it in pictures. Try this again. There we go. Look at that. That is beautiful. We have a new cursor and we have a new wallpaper. So far, it's looking good, but the main reason I'm not a huge fan of Cinnamon is because of how much it looks like Windows. So let's see. Panel. You can adjust the panel. Why did it get so tiny? Let's shrink the panel to about 30. Put it in panel edit mode. So what if I take this, put it there towards the middle? Okay. Oh, mind you, I am working on this in a virtual machine. I wanted to install Linux Mint on bare metal, but for some reason my capture card was acting up, so my apologies. Symbolic icon size. Well, we want the icons to be a little bit smaller. I feel like 30 is too small. Let's try 35, 33, 32. I think that's good. It's a little nitpicky, but I think it's good. And you know what? Just for the sake of it, let's move the panel to the top. So this is how our panel looks now, but I want to change this icon. I saw something on how to do this. I don't remember exactly how though. Let's go panel settings. Applets. Okay, you can download more. I like that they give you the option to either work with what they give you or just pick up more of them. Ooh, I kind of like this loading thing at the top as well. Cine menu. Flexible menu with grid or list layout options, file browser, and emoji search. Let's try it. Applications, view mode. What if we make it list? Okay, but that's huge. Show sidebar. What does this do? Oh, sidebar location. Top. No, I don't like that. Okay, we'll put it on the bottom. Show favorites on sidebar. None. No, we're gonna do apps only. That works. Then let's turn let's just make all these 15 and see which one, and then kind of work backwards to see which one changes it.
We can do it. We can do it. Okay, just made everything tiny, but it doesn't.
Oh. I did that for no reason. This is what I want to see. I like this. Simple, doesn't take too much space on the screen, but I can still search if I need to. Use a custom icon, and then this is what it gives me. Cinnamon symbolic. What if I want, I guess that kind of fits, but what if we do this one? Kind of like this logo a little bit better, no?
I want people to know that I'm on Linux Mint.
I like that. I like that a lot. There's our menu. Color picker. Let's turn that on. Where does it throw it? Oh, okay. It just throws it right here in the corner. So you just click here. Oh, it has to install a package. Okay, cool. Yes, install. It installed. So now when I click this, I can just pick a color and it copies it to my clipboard. Bing wallpapers. Who's installing Bing? Yes, guys.
Microsoft.
I think we're okay on applets for now. What is a desklet? This is random. Add desklet. Oh, we can download more. Wow, they give you can just download anything. Okay, let's do one that shows disk space. Why not? Just to see what it does. Disk space plus. And then you can just drag it around. Oh, you can just throw that there in the corner. Oh, this is sick. Okay, let's just keep it with the one desklet. But that is cool. I do want this to be simple. At the end of the day, you're only looking at your desktop so much. But like, if you're going to be looking at it, you want it to look cool, right? So let's see what else we can customize. Settings. Okay. Extensions. I haven't looked at these yet. Okay, transparent panels, G-tile. I do like me some tiling. Oh, well, this is nice. One for screenshots. Oh, that's nice. I also want to try out G-tile. Hello? Let's just not use that anymore. No, I tried it, and I'm sure it works great. I think it's because I'm in a virtual machine, to be honest with you. Okay, let's try Blur Cinnamon Plus. Settings. Oh, okay, so it automatically made the bar up here transparent. I don't know if I want it to be that transparent. I think that's nice, right? Because you still want it to have like distinctness, but still having that bit of transparency is cool. And why is it just punching the letter G now? I have broken my virtual machine. I have fixed my virtual machine. Okay, that's cool. Blur more components. Let me see. Maybe a quick Google search can help. How to blur. Just look up Linux Mint. How to blur Linux Mint. Yeah, see, now it looks a lot more blurred. Let's stop messing around with extensions. Now, onto the real kind of fluff of it. Okay, not much there. All right, let's go back to themes real quick. Add or remove. Okay, so now let's try and find a theme and see what we can do. I want one that's dark. Let's just try a couple of them. What does it hurt? Orchidea. That one's dark. Semi-transparent. I'm gonna keep the cursor the same. Try this one. Ooh. I kind of like this. So what about this one? Didn't change the taskbar much, which is fine. I want this taskbar to look like this. It changed the menu a little bit, but I kind of like it. We can make this a little... No, I want this small. What about the other one, the semi-transparent? Doesn't look like it did it. Or, hold on. Let's go... Okay, let's do button. Let's do dark aqua. And then let's do this. I don't know how I like that. Am I the biggest light mode guy? No. But I feel like with this, like just the dark border... and then the rest of it being in light mode, looks pretty sick. Okay, I kind of like this theme, and I like that the menu's now a little bit more transparent too. Yeah, I don't mind this. It looks kind of cursed, but I like it. Personal preference. See what the file menu looks like? Okay, the file menu looks kind of jank. Yeah, okay, this makes me want to change it. Let's choose a dark one. There we go. Transparency is still there. The menu's not that transparent, but it still looks good enough. Files. Yeah. Okay, this I can work with. Up next, let's customize the terminal. And I want to use a different terminal than the built-in one. So sudo apt install kitty. Okay, I've installed kitty, and I tried to blur the background of it, but for some reason it will not. So I don't know why. Open up the config and see what's going on. So background blur is in, but 1.6. Let me see. Okay, let's clear that out. Reopen. Okay, nope. So it base 10. Okay. So here, we're gonna move this down one. Background opacity. We're gonna do 0.7, and then background blur. We're gonna do 20. See what happens. Ooh, that's very transparent, but also not very blurry. So, okay, this looks good. See, this is what I want. So, note to self, if you think that the numbers you're putting in when customizing your kitty terminal are enough to make it not super transparent, but still transparent, it's not enough. Make it higher. Good to know. But now we have a transparent terminal, which, oh, NeoFetch exists in here. Had no idea. Okay. That's nice. Workspace switcher. Okay, this is nice. So let's put this in edit mode. I'm gonna move this, if it's possible, right there. Okay, cool. So now let's configure this. Simple buttons, yes. Oh, I'm still in edit mode. I was about to say, why is it not doing anything? Okay, so now we're in separate workspaces, which is cool. Don't know what else we can do. I wish there was a way to figure out how to make these windows transparent. That's what these are supposed to do, no? Oh, and the icons. I want to change the icons a little bit. No, that doesn't fit. I do want darker icons. Maybe gray. I feel like gray, or maybe a nice like dark blue fits the... No, that's silly. Papyrus dark. Oh wow, it changed all the icons. Oh, these look nice. Okay, well, I figured that out. The semi-transparent, it made everything a lot smaller, but I kind of like... Okay, I like it with the semi-transparent look. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Let me see. Dark mode, let applications decide. That's fine. I like that. And then what if I do the buttons? So that just changes the color of this. If this looks like this, why are there not more options? If I installed 4 themes, they only gave me 1 button option. I guess the rest just rely on normal Mint buttons. I wonder if the color really fits. I guess we'll just roll with it like that. Well, there we go. It works. It's simplistic. Transparent terminal. Firefox, which it subsequently is in light mode for some reason. This actually doesn't even look that bad either. The black bar on the top, but the rest of it's white. Makes it look pretty good. And we also have our workspace shuffle, so you can have Firefox here, terminal here. Although shuffling between workspaces takes a second for it to load up. I don't know why workspace 3. Oh, okay. Just got to run your mouse over it once to fix it. Not bad. Not bad at all. Overall, I think we did a pretty good job of making Cinnamon look a little bit nicer. Obviously, I'm not the expert in this category, so I wouldn't use this as a guide. It's more or less just some random dude experimenting. But the fact that you can make it look like this is cool, and I'm sure that there are very experienced users out there that made it look so much better than I could. But I really like how this theme came out, and I probably will be using it for the foreseeable future. Thank you for watching.